Jackson. I'm with the Harlan Law Firm here in Eureka, and we represent the Mateel Center. It was my understanding from last meeting, after discussing this matter with Mr. Asby, that the applicant in this matter is the Mateel Center, and that as a lessee that they have that possessory interest to really speak to mitigation measures that would be imposed with the CUP accordingly until there's some sort of a determination, a legal determination that they don't have that possessory interest. We fail to see the relevancy on what people's productions would do if they had the event, since they're neither the current producer nor do they have a possessory interest in the land. Therefore, as I said, I just simply don't believe what they would do would be relevant in this situation. But I would point out to you that it's my understanding that Mr. Dimmick and the Mateel Center are very close to resolving whatever dispute they have. There have been some significant concerns raised by law enforcement regarding the number of people that exceeded the event last year, as well as the drug sales and drug usage at Reggae on the River. And the Mateel has taken this seriously. It has previously, we had negotiations, negotiations with county council regarding this, and they have previously come up with what they believe is some significant mitigation measures in order to address those two very valid concerns. Mr. Houston will address some of those mitigation measures to directly address lieutenants' remarks earlier, as well as Ms. Staub. We believe that if the commission adopts those mitigation measures, that it will in fact work to address these problems. And as part of the Mateel's good faith in rectifying what they believe are very valid concerns, they would even go farther and agree to monthly updates with respect to the progress in those mitigation measures. Thank you.
Can I ask a question? So do you know if your client now is selling tickets to this event?
I believe that they are. Yes, they are.
Okay. And is there, they're close to resolving this, and I mean, I don't want to violate any confidentialities that I don't want to I'm not asking you to step over the line on this, but is there any light you can shed to us as where this is in the judicial process?
In the judicial process, it's up for a hearing on the preliminary injunction. The first part of next week, I believe it's Monday, and that any trial on this matter would not be able to proceed until after Reggae on the River would have occurred in August. So in any event, the appropriate applicant to find itself to any mitigation measures and this conditional use permit would be the Mateel Center. Because until a trial, for any reason that would take the preliminary injunction were not immediately issued, a full trial would be on that. The determination wouldn't be until after the concert hearing.
Mm-hmm. Well, considering you're speaking to a layperson on this preliminary injunction is for what now?
It's for an earlier determination prior to trial.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.